Hello guys, learning made simple. In this video, we shall learn Chapter 11, Class 9th Maths NCERT book, Exercise 11.1, question number 3. Up till question number 2, I had uploaded in our previous video. So from question number 3 of Exercise 11.1, we shall do in this video. This is Samir and you are watching My Scholars. If you are new on our channel, please subscribe our channel. So, for drawing an angle of 30 degree, question is this: construct the angle of the following measure. Number 1 is 30 degree. For drawing an angle of 30 degree, we shall draw a ray. Drawing a ray. With initial point A. Drawing a ray with initial point A. With initial point A. Say this is point B. Now, second point. So first point is draw steps of construction. First point is draw a ray AB with initial point A. So draw. Now, second point is taking A as a center, A as center with a suitable radius draw an arc which intersect. Construction is almost, second point is same, which intersect AB at C. So drawing, taking A as a center, A is taken as a center and a suitable radius is taken, drawing from, starting from AB, this arc. So it is intersecting AB at C. Now third point, taking C as a center, we shall take C as a center and draw another arc which intersect the previous arc at D. Say this is point D. So the third step is taking C as a center with the same radius draw another arc intersecting the first at D. So it is intersecting the first at D. Now the fourth step is draw the ray AD. Draw the ray AD. So drawing ray AD. AD. Our first step was like this. We had drawn a ray in first step. This was B, initial point A, and in second step drawn the arc which intersect AB at C. In third step we have taken C as a center and drawn an arc. In fourth step, say it is D, we draw a ray AD and produce it. So drawing a ray AD. This is AD. It should be 60 degree. So measuring whether it is 60 degree or not. It is 60 degree. Now we shall bisect it. So in step 5th, taking C as a center, and draw an arc. So taking C as a center and drawing an arc having a distance more than CD, half of CD, more than half of CD. So this is the arc. Say it is arc number 1. And now taking D as a center, this drawing an arc intersecting the previous one. Arc number 1, say it is arc number 2. At point E, say it is point P. Now join E to A or draw ray AE, drawing ray AE. Thus, angle EAB is the required angle of 30 degree. So, sixth point was that taking D as center, draw arc number 1 it was. Now taking D as center, draw another arc two intersecting the arc 1. At E. At seventh point, draw the ray AE, ray passing through E. Thus, angle BAE or angle EAB is the required angle is equal to 30 degree, which is the required angle. For the second part of this question, second part is to draw an angle of 22.5 degree. This was in the examination of 2016 CBSE. Second part of question number 3. We have to draw an angle of 22.5 degree. So for this, again, first of all, we shall draw a line segment. Taking O as the initial point, O as initial point, and this is B. We shall draw an angle of 90 degree as we have drawn in question number 1. So for drawing angle of 90 degree, we shall Take O as a center, and with a suitable radius, we shall draw an arc. Now, suppose the arc intersect at C, OB at C. With C as a center and the same radius, we shall draw arc. Say it intersects the previous arc at D. And with D as a center, with the same radius, we shall draw another arc, say which intersect the first arc at E. Now taking D and E as a center and the distance more than half of DE, we shall draw an arc, say it is 1, with the same radius. Taking E as a center, we draw another arc intersecting the arc number 1. Say it is 2, arc number 2. Say the arcs intersected A. Draw a ray joining OA. So this way we have constructed an angle of 90 degree, checking whether it is 90 degree or not. It is 90 degree. Now, by dividing this angle 90 degree into two equal parts, we shall get an angle of 45 degree. So taking C as a center, we shall draw an arc. Say where this ray OA intersect, this is point P. Now with P as a center, we shall draw an arc intersecting the previous arc number 1 and arc number 2. Arc number 3 and arc number 4, which are intersecting, say it is at M. Now, we shall draw a ray joining the point M to O. Now, MOB is an angle of 45 degree. This is 45 degree. Now we shall bisect the angle of 45 degree. Taking C as a center again and distance more than half of CD. Draw an arc, say it is 5, and taking D as a center, Draw another arc intersecting the previous one. Five and 6, arc number 5 and 6. Say they intersect at N, point N. Now join N to O, or draw a ray passing through NO. This way, NOB is 22.5 degree. 22.5 degree angle. So let us write the steps of construction. Very simple. First we have constructed angle AOB is equal to 90 degree as in question 1. And in second part, bisected angle AOB. Construct the angle bisector of angle AOB, which is angle MOB, and such that angle MOB is equal to 45 degree. Taking C and F as the center, taking C and M as a center, say this is point F, sorry, F, this point is F. This point is D. Taking C and F as centers, and with the radius and with the radius more than half, of CF, draw arc numbers 5 and 6. 6 which intersect at N. Draw a ray ON. This ON. Draw a ray ON. Then angle BON is the required angle of 22.5 degree. Recap. First of all, we have taken OB as a ray, and then O as a center, drawn a radius or drawn an arc taking a suitable radius which intersect OB at C, and then C as a center, drawn another arc which intersect this previous arc at D, and with D as a center, drawn another arc which intersect the first arc at E. Now taking D and E as a center, drawn arc number 1 and 2 which intersect each other at A. Now join A to O. This way angle AOB is 90 degree. Now taking C as a center and this point as a P. C as a center and this point as a P. C and P as a center, we have drawn or constructed arc number 3 from C and 4 from P. Suppose arc number 3 and 4 intersect at M. This way MOB is 45 degree and the 45 degree angle intersect the arc at F. Say it is point F. Now taking C and F as centers and with suitable radius more than half of CF, we have drawn, this is D, we have drawn arc number 5 and 6 which intersect each other, say at N. Now taking N passing, we have drawn a ray ON passing through N. So this way NOB is an angle of 22.5 degree. This is bisector of, this ray is the bisector of angle AOB which is 90 degrees, so 45 degree, this ray is of 45 degree and this ray is of 22.5 degree. Let us check whether it is 22.5 or not. It is 22.5 degree. You can see 22.5 degree. This one is 45 degree. Correct, 45 degree. This is 45 degree. This is 40 and this is 45. So our construction is correct. Now the third part. I am taking third part. Third part is construct an angle of 15 degree. First of all, we shall construct an angle of 60 degree and then divide 60 degree. So that will become 30 degree and then divide 30 degree into 2 equal half. That will become 15 degree. So do. So writing first step, construct an angle say EAB is equal to 30 degree. And to construct the bisector, then we shall construct the bisector of EAB. So let us construct angle EAB. First we shall draw a line segment with an initial point A and A and B. Now take a suitable radius. Draw an arc which so it is intersecting AB at C with the same radius. Draw another arc which intersecting the previous at D. Now draw a ray joining AD. This way DAB is 60 degree. Let us check whether it is 60 degree or not. It is exactly 60 degree. 60 degree. Now we shall draw the bisector of this, which will be 30 degree. So taking C and D as a center, taking C and D as a center, we shall draw arcs taking more than half of distance CD. This is the first arc, and which intersecting the first is second arc, intersecting say at point E. We join E to A, draw a ray joining AE. This way EAB is an angle of 30 degree. 30 degree. Now we shall draw the bisector of angle of 30 degree. See, this is point F. Where EA intersects this arc CD. Now taking CF as a center and distance more than half of CF, we shall draw arc number 3 and 4. Arc should be less little. Taking another arc, little large. Taking C as a center, draw another arc. And taking F as a center, so this was draw. These two arcs are 3 and 4, which are intersecting at point P. Let this is point P. Now draw a ray passing through P. This was a 30-degree angle. So rubbing it, since it is looking disturbing our construction. Now joining this point to A means that we have drawn bisector of EAB. Say it is point P. Now PAB is 15 degree. This is 15 degree. This is 15 degree. PAB is 15 degree. Let us check whether it is 15 degree or not. Angle is very small. Yes, it is 15 degree. 10 and 5, 15 degree. Exactly, it is 15 degree. This is 10 degree and this is 5 degree, 15. So this way we have constructed an angle of 30 degree, 22.5 degree and 15 degree. Please like and subscribe our channel. So second step was construct the bisector of angle DAB, which is angle EAB. Third point, construct the bisector of angle EAB. Which is angle, this was point P, or we can take here G. Angle PAB. Thus, angle PAB is equal to 15 degree. Thank you for watching Math Scholars. Please like and subscribe our channel. Please also share our channel so that maximum student can take benefit of these videos. Thank you for watching Math Scholars.